Have you ever felt calm listening to a certain type of music or sound? Today, we'll explore the profound world of healing frequencies. Ancient civilizations and modern science both confirm each frequency uniquely affects our physical and emotional health. But how exactly do these frequencies interact with our body? Let's dive deep into the secrets of sound healing. The 285 Hz frequency is connected with our physical body's energy field and promotes tissue regeneration and healing. Studies in bioresonance therapy indicate that lower frequencies, specifically around 285 Hz, stimulate the repair of damaged tissues by increasing cellular activity. Hospitals and rehabilitation centers often use similar frequencies to accelerate wound healing, improve blood circulation, and regenerate muscle and skin cells. 396 Hz is known for releasing deep-rooted fears, anxiety, and guilt stored within our subconscious mind. Neuroscience research confirms stress and fear weaken the immune system significantly, making us susceptible to illnesses. By reducing stress hormones such as cortisol, 396 Hz indirectly enhances our body's immunity, aiding our mental and physical resilience. 417 Hz frequency facilitates profound transformation and renewal at the cellular level. Vibrational medicine practitioners use this frequency to cleanse traumatic memories from cells, particularly affecting liver function and the digestive system. Scientific studies demonstrate that emotional traumas can physically manifest in these organs. 417 Hz helps cleanse this energetic residue, improving metabolic function and emotional clarity. 528 Hz, famously known as the miracle tone, promotes DNA repair and enhances cognitive functions. Genetic research indicates that frequencies around 528 Hz can trigger DNA stability and repair mechanisms, influencing overall cellular health, brain activity, memory, and concentration positively. The 639 Hz frequency, often called the frequency of love and connection, directly impacts our emotional health and relationships. Scientific studies in psychoneuroimmunology indicate a profound connection between strong, healthy relationships and a robust immune system. This frequency stimulates the heart chakra, fostering emotional openness, forgiveness, and harmonious relationships, which indirectly reduces stress-related hormone levels, enhancing cardiovascular health and boosting immunity. By fostering empathy and emotional intelligence, 639 Hz can lead to improved overall mental well-being, decreased anxiety, and enhanced interpersonal connections. 741 Hz is renowned for its powerful cleansing and detoxifying properties, often described as a frequency that purifies both the physical body and mind. This frequency targets the liver, our primary detoxification organ, assisting it in removing harmful toxins more effectively. Scientific research on sound therapy indicates frequencies around 741 Hz stimulate liver enzymes and support efficient liver function. On a neurological level, 741 Hz is associated with activating the brain's alpha and theta states, enhancing intuition, creative problem-solving abilities, and emotional clarity. As the liver detoxifies physically, this frequency simultaneously clears emotional toxins, providing a holistic cleansing experience. 852 Hz frequency connects directly to higher consciousness, spiritual awakening, and deep meditative states. This frequency primarily targets the pineal gland, also called the third eye, which regulates melatonin and influences our sleep-wake cycles, intuition, and perception of reality. Research in neuroscience suggests frequencies around 852 Hz stimulate the pineal gland, enhancing its melatonin secretion, regulating sleep patterns, supporting cognitive functions. Pineal gland's balanced functioning also stabilizes our central nervous system, reducing anxiety, improving mood, and promoting mental clarity. Regular exposure to 852 Hz can foster deep states of mindfulness, spiritual insight, and emotional resilience, enhancing overall quality of life and inner peace. Frequencies are not just sounds. They are powerful tools for holistic health, deeply intertwined with your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Remember, while frequencies complement traditional medicine, always consult healthcare professionals for medical concerns. Which frequency resonated most deeply with you? Let us know below. Subscribe to explore more healing sounds and share this video to spread healing awareness.